Digitalization opens up entirely new possibilities for the future vehicle production at Mercedes-Benz. It is the fully digitized and paperless production that connects all production data for the first time, and it makes it available across the entire production process in real time. Simultaneously, it ensures the highest product quality. All this is enabled by MO360, the new digital ecosystem for the vehicle production. In our ultra-modern production, the vehicles are located within the production line with absolute precision. This is the basis for the needs-based information management of the paperless factory. This way, each worker receives exactly the information he needs for his next work step directly at his workplace. Internet of Things tools are integrated into the factory's local network, and they perform the checks whether all work steps have been fully and correctly completed. The workers confirm their activities digitally as well. This ensures greater efficiency and higher quality. The quality management system is fully integrated in MO360. This means that every quality manager has full access to the current life status of every single vehicle in production at any time. MO360 detects deviations and informs only the responsible employees and quality managers. With the previously collected production data, the cause of a deviation is identified straight away and corrected instantly. All applications of the digital ecosystem MO360 are fully integrated and interact seamlessly. The core of the system is the digital shop floor management application, in which all production data is merged. This allows access to a comprehensive live status of the production at any time. In everyday use, the digital shop floor management is completely convincing, both in the optimization of quality processes and as a communication tool. Complete transparency across all production and work levels. Everybody benefits from it. Every single production site. Every single country of manufacture. The entire worldwide production network. The highest product quality is secured. Decision-making processes are accelerated. And by 2022, efficiency will increase by up to 15%. MO360, the new digital ecosystem for the vehicle production by Mercedes-Benz.
Gordon just told us a lot about beauty and luxury, and he's absolutely right. It's time now to experience both in motion. Let's start up front. That's a gentle welcome. As soon as I close the door, this is S-Class luxury. It's instant relaxation, almost like coming home. The new S-Class recognizes you immediately and arranges everything to your liking. So what is it like to drive an S-Class? Take these benchmark seats. They are adjusted by up to 18 individual motors in one seat alone. There's no way to not find the perfect position. And there's the 4D sound built into the seat as well. No one else out there has that. But that's not the point. It's about how all of these signature details add up to a feeling of being in a safe space. That priceless feeling of being taken good care of. Ready? All right, finally, time to roll. Driving an S-Class is about style, comfort, and confidence. About calm serenity and perfect control. Same goes for the interior lighting. It creates a superior, comfortable atmosphere. And it does more. It also doubles as a safety feature. The S-Class always pays attention. For instance, at times when it gets a little confusing in traffic, digital light in the new S-Class can efficiently help you guide your way and see more clearly. Of course, it has all the power and performance it takes to always have your back. You know that. You don't have to show it. Same goes for your choice of engine. If you want, you can also have a plug-in hybrid with an electric range of up to 100 kilometers. Or how about an all-electric sedan in the S-Class segment with an electric range of 700 kilometers? That's why we created an all-electric sibling of this masterpiece, the upcoming EQS. But that's a different story, and this story is going to be told very soon. At the same time, the S-Class has always aimed for more than sheer pleasure for the driver. Here's a cool feature I would like to show you. What if we had some real VIPs in the back? I can take this content and just swipe it to the back. I'm sure kids will love that feature, and parents will too. Let me show you this. MBUX has services now for every individual passenger. It just keeps getting smarter. Hey Mercedes, turn on the hot, relaxing massage program and play me some jazz. You can see individual MBUX services for every passenger really add to what I said earlier. In an S-Class, every seat is S-Class. By the way, Can you hear that? You're right. It's incredibly quiet in this car. And we're driving at Autobahn speeds. I can't wait for our customers to realize just how much of a coming home feeling this new S-Class is.
Bright flashing by the street lights. Keep waiting till you've arrived. Let it unfold. Let it unfold. Give me a reason to feel right. I keep waiting for the morning light. I let him fall. Let him fall. You need to give me something I can't hold on to. Asleep through the night. After all, debating how you live your life. Bright flashes of white light. Let it unfold. Let it unfold. Your search for the truth has begun. Believing you dream of the one. Keep dancing the whole way. 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 It's easy to let go. Change your track when it feels slow. Just lose control. Just lose control. Bright flashing by the street lights. I'm awake until you've arrived. Let it unfold. Let it unfold. Losing your sight. Pitch black night. You try to rewind and make things right. Keep dancing the whole way. 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 Keep dancing the whole way.
Hey Mercedes, how do I connect my phone?
If your smartphone has previously been connected with this vehicle, and if Bluetooth is activated on your phone, the connection is established again automatically. Otherwise, select the small Bluetooth symbol in the telephone menu on the multimedia system. Shall I open the menu for you now?
Hey Mercedes, where's my first aid kit?
The first aid kit can be found in the boot on the right-hand side, secured with a Velcro strap.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey Mercedes,
How may I help you?
I'm bored.
Okay, let me think. How about a really fun game? To try it out, say play Geo Quiz. Get all 10 questions right, and I'll throw in a prize.
Play Geo Quiz.
Starting Geo Quiz. How many capital cities do you think you will answer correctly? 1, 2, or maybe all 10? Let's begin the game. Question 1. Bern is the capital of which country?
Switzerland.
That is correct. You have the ideal answer on this one. Next question. What's the capital of Slovakia?
Bratislava.
Well done. You're right again. You're unstoppable.
Hey Mercedes,
How may I help you?
how does an elephant sound like? Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey Mercedes, what is important to you in life?
Good conversations, especially with you.
Great. So what was first, the chicken or the egg?
I think you're hungry.
That's correct. Show me some Italian restaurants.
Here is what I found. Where do you want to go?
Choose number 2, please.
Calculating route. Please proceed to the highlighted route.
Hey Mercedes, I'm tired.
You should take a break at the next suitable place. Until then, I will turn on the Vitality program.
In a city full of sounds, I know my way around. We are of the same kind. Endangered species hard to find. I'll give you some lone time. I need to go catch a high tide, 'cause I don't feel free. So I'm letting you know where I want to be. Driving by the shore, listening to a broken radio. Skyline neon lights, I'm waking up the rangers of the night.
Accept.
Designated life, feel the cold wind on my face.
Hello?
Hello. Wait a second.
This is where I wanna be. I'm skipping stones into the sea. I'll give you some lone time.
Hi Jessica, how are you?
Hi. Fine, thanks.
Is it alright if we have a meeting at 10 o'clock?
Yeah, I think 12:30 is better.
Alright, copy that. Same from here.
Driving by the shore,
Hi, Jessica here.
listening to a broken radio. Skyline neon lights, I'm waking up the rangers of the night. Designated life, driving by the shore.
Hey, Mercedes.
How may I help you?
I'm tired.
You should take a break at the next suitable place. Until then, I will turn on the Vitality program.
An ocean, a cave, a dream that no one could save, a shelter, a whole act, a light that died with the night. You and I, we got our differences, yet I thought we were more alike than unlike. Months of rain and chest pain, what's the plan? Have it breathe and stay insane. Grab my hand. Everything is great inside this narrow maze. We speak but oh nothing. We run our separate ways. Do you ever think about me? Or are you busy with someone else? You and I, we got our differences, yet I thought we were more alike than unlike. Months of rain and chest pain, what's the plan? Have it breathe and stay insane. Now grab my hand. Everything is great inside this narrow maze. Everything has lost its taste. Months of rain and chest pain. Have it breathe and stay insane. Now grab my hand. you.